Once again, welcome you all. Myself, Princia Fernandez from St. Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Students, in this video, we will continue our chapter 10, Measuring Time, Examples of Time Measurement. So, let's start. Now, in your textbook, they given one example. It means if Abdul started working on the computer at 11 in the morning and finish his work at 3:30 in the afternoon, how long did he work? Now they have to given two method. First method is from 11 in the morning to 12 noon. It means 1 hour completed. From 12 noon to 3:30 in the afternoon, it is 3 hour. See that 12 to 3, it's 12, 1, 2 and 3. It's coming 3 hours and 30 minutes. Therefore, the total time is this 3 hours and previous 1 hours, total 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. See, the second method is based on 24-hour clock. It is already explained in previous video. So, according to the 24-hour clock, 11 o'clock in the morning is 11 a.m. It means write as it is 11. And 3:30 in the afternoon, 3:30 p.m. So, write 15:30. Now, make the column first, hours and minutes. So, write 15:30 minus 11 o'clock. So, now do the subtraction. 0, 0, it's coming 0. 3 minus 0, it's coming 3. Now, hours column, 15, 5 minus 1 is coming 4. So, write 4 hours and 30 minutes. And the answer is Abdul worked for a total of 4 hours and 30 minutes or 4.5 hours. Write neatly. Now, second one is add 4 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours 45 minutes. First make the column hours and minutes. Now write down 4 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours 45 minutes. Do the addition. 0 plus 5 it's 5. 3 plus 4 it's 7. Now hours column 4 plus 2 it's 6. So 6 hours 75 minutes. And you know that 75 minutes we have to convert in hours. So 75 minutes is equal to 1 hour 15 minutes because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So the final answer is 7 hours 15 minutes. Now third example, subtraction. Here the subtraction. 5 hours 30 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. Again draw the column, first hours and second column minutes. So 5 hours 30 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. Here 45 minutes cannot be subtract from 30 minutes. Therefore, we borrow 1 hour and convert into 60 minutes for the subtraction. So, now 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. And 19 minus 45 minutes, it's coming 45. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. So, final answer is 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay. Now, fourth example, Amruta traveled by bus for 3 hours 40 minutes and by motorcycle for 1 hour 45 minutes. How long did she spend traveling? Now, do the column first, hours and minutes. Now, 3 hours 40 minutes travel time by bus, 1 hours 45 travel time by motorcycle. Now, do the addition. 0 plus 5, it's 5. 4 plus 4, it's 8. Now, 3 plus 1, it's coming 4 hours. So, 4 hours 85 minutes. And we know that 60 plus 25 minutes are 85 minutes. That is 1 hour. Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So, 1 hour and 25 minutes. Let us add this 1 hour in the hours column. So, already we have 4 hours. Then one more hours we have to add. So, it's coming 5 hours. Now, here only the left 25 minutes. So, write the answer 5 hours 25 minutes. Therefore, Amruta traveled for a total of 5 hours and 25 minutes. Now, we start problem set 45. Students, here first question is add the following. 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. Now, I am going to explain you first sum. 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. First, we make the column of hours and minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. Children, first we make the addition of minutes. So, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 85 minutes. In the column of the hours, 2 plus 4 it's coming 6 hours. 85 minutes means 60 minutes plus 25 minutes. So 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 25 minutes. So let's add this 1 hour to 6 hours. Therefore, the answer is 7 hours 25 minutes. See the second one, 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. Now again we make the column hours and minutes. Now first we write 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. Now here plus we do the addition. 0 plus 0 it's coming 0. 5 plus 2 it's coming 7. It means 70 minutes. Now hours column. 3 plus 4 it's coming 7. So it means 7 hours and 70 minutes. But students, you know that 70 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 10 minutes because 60 minutes it's coming 1 hour. So here we have to add this 1 hour in previous hours. So we already have 7 hours. So we have to add now 7 plus 1. It's coming 8 hours and the minutes column only left 10 minutes. So our answer is 8 hours 10 minutes. Understood? This way you have to solve sum number 3 and 4 as a homework. Now second question, subtract the following. 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Students, here first draw the column and write 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Now always keep it in your mind, 40 minutes cannot be subtract from 10 minutes. So we borrow 1 hour and convert into 60 minutes. So now in the minutes column it's coming 60 plus 10. Now 60 plus 10 is 70. So now 70 minus 40 it's coming 30 minutes. And the hours column 2 minus 2 it's 0. So your answer is only 30 minutes left. Second one is 5 hours 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. Again make the column first, write hours and minutes. So 5 hours 20 minus 2 hours 35. Here also 35 minutes cannot be subtract from 20 minutes. So we borrow 1 hour and convert into 60 minutes. In the subtraction, now hours column it is 4 hours and the minutes column 60 plus 20 it's coming 80 minutes. Now 80 minus 35. So 80 minus 35 it's coming 45 minutes. And the hours column 4 hours minus 2 hours is equal to 2 hours. So write the answer. The subtraction is 2 hours 45 minutes. Here also subtraction. Sum number 3 and 4. Do it your homework. Now let's begin with our word problem. A government office open at 7 in the morning and close at 3 in the afternoon. How long is this office open? See here first what they given in the information. A government office open at 7 in the morning. It means 7 a.m. And they close 3 in the afternoon. 3 in the afternoon means 3 p.m. So now 3 in the afternoon we have to convert in 24-hour clock. So you know that 24-hour clock it's coming 15 hours. So write down 15 hours minus 7 hours. 15 minus 7 it's coming 8 hours. So write the answer. Office remain open for 8 hours. Write it. Now fourth one. A movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and finish 2.5 hours later. At what time does the movie end? Now here 3 hours 45 minutes is movie starts and plus 2 hours 30 minutes duration of movie. So now do the addition. 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 3 7. Now 3 plus 2 5. So it's coming 5 hours 75 minutes. Now everybody knows that 75 minutes, so 60 minutes it's coming 1 hour. So this hours we have to add in hours column. So it's coming 6 hours 15 minutes. So end of the movie is 6:15 in the evening. Now fifth one is Sakharam was plugging the field from 8 in the morning. At 12:30 in the afternoon, he stopped and started for home. He reached home at 1:30. How long was he plugging the field. How long did it take him to reach home from the field? Whatever information they give right here, it means 12 hours 30 minus 8 hours 0 minutes. So write the subtraction. 0, 0, it's 0. 3 minus 0, it's 3. Now 12 minus 8 is 4. So answer is 4 hours 30. 4 hours 30 hours he plugged. Now the next is how long did it take him to reach home from the field? In the information they give, he reached home at 1:30. So we have to convert 1:30 into 24 hours clock. So it's coming 13:30. Now write in the column 13 hours 30 minutes minus 12:30, because 12:30 in the afternoon he stopped and start for home. So write minus 12:30. So again we have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So write the answer. 1 hour is the time taken to reach home. So write in the answer, he plugged for 4:30 hours. He took 1 hour to reach home. This is your final answer. Question number 6. Rambabu started the water pump at 10:30 at night and put it off the same night at 11:45. How long was the water pump on? Now before start this sum, write 11:45. It means 11:45 p.m. 11:45 means 11:45. So write 11:45 water pump put off and the 10:30 pump started. So do the subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. And the hours column, 1 minus 0, 1. And 1 minus 1, it's 0. So 1 hours 15 minutes. So write as answer, pump was on for 1 hour 15 minutes. See the 7th one. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours and 25 minutes in the morning and 1 hour and 45 minutes in the afternoon. How long was she teaching in all? See here, 2 hours 25 minutes teaching in the morning plus 1 hours 45 minutes teaching in the afternoon. Now do the addition. In the minutes column, it's coming 70 minutes because 25 plus 45 is 70. Then here 2 plus 1 is coming 3. Now you know that 70 minutes is equal to 1 hour 10 minutes. So this 1 hours add in the hours. So previous 3 and this one, it's coming 4 hours and the 10 minutes left here. So total teaching of Geeta was for 4 hours 10 minutes. Students, here I solve word problem number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So rest of it means 8, 9, 10 sum. Write as a homework. So do it in your notebook along with this sum. Okay. Thank you.